Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a Google account. So guys, if you want to know more, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started. Guys, I'm going to be showing you 3 methods on how you can actually create a Google account. The first method is using your phone settings. The second method is using any Google product such as YouTube, Google Map, Google Drive, and the rest of it. Then the third method involves using your browser, whichever browser that you're using, be it Chrome, be it Opera Mini. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use them to create a Google account. So guys, let's start with the first method, which is using your phone settings. So let me tap on my phone settings right away. So guys, under the settings, what you have to do right away is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll down. Then you tap on where it is written users and accounts. In your own phone, you might just see accounts, whichever one that you see, users and account or just account, just tap on it. So let me tap on it. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So guys, now the next step to take now is to scroll downwards, then tap on where it is written add account. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the add account, what you have to tap on is on Google. Since you are creating a Google account, you have to tap on Google, which is the third option. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see we have been brought to the Google sign-in page. So guys, here now what you have to do since you want to create an account is to tap on where it is written create account. You can see there at the bottom left corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So what you have to do next now is to tap on the first option, which is for my personal use. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, over here we're required to enter a name. For you to create your Google account, you have to enter your name. You can see what is written there. Enter your name. So let me enter my first name. So guys, can see I've added my name, I've added my first name and my last name, and as you can see there, the last name is actually optional. So if you don't have any last name, just leave it. So let me tap on next down below. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see over here you're required to enter your birthday and your gender. These are basic informations that you need to create a Google account. So let me enter my birthday and my gender right away. So guys, can see now I've entered my birthday and my gender. So the next step to take now is to tap on next below. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, over here you're required to create a Gmail address. With that Gmail address, you'll be able to sign in into your Google account. So guys, let me go ahead now to create my Gmail address. You can see what is written down there. You can use letters, numbers, and periods. So let me create my own so you see. So guys, can see now I've entered the Gmail address that I need. So let me tap on next below. You can see down there. So guys, here you can see we're required to create a strong password. You can see what is written there. Create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So guys, let me go ahead now to input my password. So guys, now I've inputted my password. The next step to take now is to tap on where it is written next down below. So let me tap on it. So guys, over here you're required to add a phone number. You can actually skip this process. You can actually add the phone number later on after you've created your Google account. So let me skip it. So I will tap on where it is written skipped on the left bottom area. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, over here you're required to review your account info. As you can see there, my first name and my last name, and also you can see my Gmail address there. They are all correct. So what I have to do now is to tap on next below. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step now is to agree to the privacy and terms of Google. So for you to do that, you have to scroll downwards. Then you tap on I agree. You can see it down below. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see our account has been created. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. This is so marvelous. So guys, let me go over to the second method, which is actually using your browser to actually create a Google account. So let me tap on my Chrome browser. I'm going to be using Chrome for this tutorial today. You can use any browser of your choice. So guys, once your browser opens up, what you have to search for is create Gmail account. So let me search for it. Create Gmail account. So guys, once you search for create Gmail account, you're going to see all of these results. The one that you have to tap on is on the first option, which is create Gmail account. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now over here what you have to do next is to tap on where it is written Google account creation page. You can see the arrow pointing at it, or you can either tap on where it is written create an account. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So whichever one you choose, you're going to go through the same process. So let me tap on where it is written Google account creation page. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see these are all the Google accounts I have in my phone, but what you have to do right away to actually create a Google account is to tap on where it is written add account to device. You can see it downwards, you can see the arrow pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it has brought us to the Google sign in page again. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on where it is written create account. You can see it down below, so let me tap on it. And you tap on where it is written for my personal use, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it has brought us to the create a Google account page again. So what you have to do is to follow the process I showed you guys earlier on. It's the same process. So guys, you're going to follow the same process I showed you guys in the first method. It's the same process. So guys, let me show you guys the third method on how you can actually create a Google account. So guys, the third method is actually using any of the Google products such as YouTube, Google Drive, Google Map, and the rest of it. So guys, I'm going to be using YouTube in this tutorial. So let me tap my YouTube app to open it. So guys, for you to actually create a Google account using YouTube, what you have to do right away is to tap on your YouTube profile icon. You can see there at the top right corner, you can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see here I already have a Google account, so that's why you can see I have a YouTube channel. But if you don't have a Google account, for you to create a Google account, what you have to do is to tap on where it is written add account. You can see the arrow pointing at it, so let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see it has brought us to the Google sign-in page again. So what you have to do right away is to tap on where it is written create account. You can see it down below, so let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can see it has brought us again to the create a Google account page again. So guys, what you have to do now is to follow the same process I showed you guys in the first method, then you're good to go. So guys, these are 3 ways that you can actually use to create a Google account in your mobile phone, and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.